3, 2, 1, start. May 1988. Mr. Chairman Sir, I am glad that even the members of the opposition have praised the budget. It is really a good thing. Everyone will agree that there is all-round improvement in our state. As far as agriculture and industries are concerned, we find that there is all-round improvement. I do not say that we have reached the maximum point. In a growing country like India, which has got so many problems to be solved, it is not easy for any government to achieve things in a short period. It will take some time. As a matter of fact, in the history of a nation, 10 years is not a long period. In the life of a man, one may say that 10 years is a long period, but in the life of a nation, 10 years is nothing. Even those who criticize the government in regard to some of its policies will agree with this view. In spite of all limitations, the government have achieved something creditable. So far as agriculture is concerned, though we have made some improvement, it is not sufficient. I think we have to make a lot of improvement still. We have to bear in mind that even advanced countries want to pick up things from others. When such is the case, though we are great as a country, we have to learn many things from many other countries. We cannot close our eyes to the improvements that we have yet to make. Some honorable members asked why we should import machinery and things like that. Let us not be worried about it. There may be difficulties for the time being, but we cannot say that we should not have machinery in this country. If we are looking backward, there is no future for us. Whatever may be our difficulties, we have to move forward. If we do not look ahead, we shall be left behind and we shall be nowhere. Therefore, whatever may be the difficulties in the matter, we should go forward. In the matter of planning, there may be difficulties. No doubt, the government take money from us and from others. We may have a lot of difficulties, but we have to put up with those things if we want our nation to become a great nation. Then I come to the question of raising prices. As my honorable friend put it, I am also very anxious about it. The honorable minister says that the rise in prices is due to the tempo of activity. It may be correct only to some extent. Why I say so is this. It is a fact admitted by the state government as well as the central government that all the people who can be employed in the country are not employed. No doubt, people who have been employed during the implementation of 5-year plans may get some money. their purchasing power might have increased. But the position of unemployed is not good. Para. Letter dated 6th March 1980 from Raja Textile Company, Coimbatore to Messrs. Rose Garments Company, Madras. Para. Dear sirs, we have received your letter of the 3rd instant. We are very sorry to hear that the railway authorities have not yet delivered the goods sent to you some time back. We would like to assure you that the goods were handed over to the proper railway official. He has given us a receipt for the goods. So we are surprised to learn that the goods have not yet reached your establishment. We do not know why such a delay has occurred. Para. We would like to inform you that these goods were the last of the kind we had. So we are sorry that we are unable to replace them as desired by you in your letter. If you are keen on having these goods, we shall make inquiries of the various warehouses in our area. If they are having goods of the same kind, we shall try to get for you another consignment similar in quality and price. We shall make our best efforts in the matter. Para. As soon as we hear from them, we shall inform you. Yours faithfully.